Hello everyone, today we know about the 20 playground objects just like slide, swing and seesaw. First, slide. A slide is a smooth surface children slide down for run. It helps improve balance and coordination. Slides come in many shapes and size. Enjoy fast and exciting rides on it. Next, swing. A swing moves back and forth in the air. Children sit and enjoy the flying feeling. It builds leg strength and balance. Swings are very popular in playgrounds. Next, seesaw. A seesaw goes up, down, and up with two kids. It teaches teamwork and balance. Children take turns rising and falling. It is simple but very enjoyable. Next, merry-go-round. This is a round platform that spins. Kids sit or stand while it turns.
One, two,
It
three,
improves
go!
balance and coordination. Children
This is
love
awesome!
its rotating motion. Next, climbing frame. A climbing frame lets kids climb and hang. It makes arms
Come
and
on
legs
up.
stronger.
I'm
Children
trying.
learn confidence
This is
while
fun.
climbing. It's
We
great for
did it.
physical activity. Next, monkey bars. Monkey bars are overhead climbing bars. Kid moves hand to hand across them. They build upper body strength, are fun and challenging. Next, sandbox. A sandbox is filled with soft sand. Kids dig, build and create shapes. It
Hey,
boosts
pour some sand
creativity
here.
and imagination.
Okay, here you
Children
go.
enjoy
I'm making
making
a
sand
tower.
and
Cool,
castles.
let's build a castle.
Next, spring rider. A spring rider moves on a strong spring. Kids sit and rock back forth. It improves balance and body control. It feels like riding a small animals. Next, jungle gym. A jungle gym has many climbing parts. Children crawl, climb and hang on it. It develops strength and agility. It offers many play options in one place. Next, balance beam. A balance beam is a narrow bar to walk on. Kids practice walking
This
carefully.
is fun.
It improves
Yeah,
balance
don't fall.
and
I'm
focus.
trying. We
Children
got it.
enjoy the challenge. Next, rocking horse. A rocking horse moves forward and back. Kids sit and pretend to ride. It builds balance and imagination. It is loved by younger children. Next, rope ladder. A rope ladder hangs for climbing up. Kids use hands and feet together. It strengthens muscles and grip. It adds adventure to playtime. Next, tire swing. A tire swing hangs from a rope or chain. Kids sit inside and swing around. It gives a fun spinning motion. Children enjoy its unique ride. Next, play tunnel. A play tunnel lets kids crawl through. It feels like exploring a cave. It improves
Ready,
movement
go!
skills. Kids love hide and seek inside.
Beat you.
Next, spiral slide. A spiral slide twists as the kids slide down. It gives a longer, exciting ride.
Woo!
Children enjoy its
That was
curved shape.
awesome.
It
Again.
adds extra fun to playgrounds. Next, zip line. A zip line lets kids glide through air. They hold a handle and slide
Woohoo!
across.
This is so
It feels adventurous and fast. It builds confidence
Awesome!
and courage. Next, trampoline. A trampoline lets kids jump high. It improves balance and fitness. Children love bouncing again and again. It gives great exercises. Next, playhouse. A playhouse is small pretend home. Kids role play, family or shop games.
Hey, come in.
It
It's
boosts
cool.
creativity
Okay, I'm coming.
and social
Wait for
skills.
me.
Children
Wow, this is
enjoying
awesome.
spending
Yeah.
time inside. Next, climbing wall. A climbing wall has hand and footholds. Kids climb up carefully. It builds strength and problem solving. It feels like real rock climbing. Next, spinner. A spinner rotates when kids push it. Children sit
Ready,
and spin
go!
around. It
Woo,
improves
faster!
balance and
This is
coordination.
so fun.
Kids enjoy
Yeah,
its
keep
fast
going.
movement.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, share.